I don't understand what he's doing. He just wants to be pet. Nine is unrecognizable on the bed, except for her bright green collar and her eyes. See? Now you can see her. Oh, but when she closes her eyes, she disappears. But you, Den Den. But you. He's just like, no, just pet me. That's all I want. That's all I'll ever need. Just pet me. Oh, no, he wants... It's probably boring to some, but I don't give a crap. This is my cat Den Den. I don't know what he's doing. He wants to type. He's gonna blog. He's gonna blog about his day. Well, I ate some food and then I threw it up, and then I looked out the window and I napped on my favorite quilt, and then I tried to hump Nine. That was my day. That is my blog. And Nine, I don't know what she's doing. She's winking at us. Being a cat's kind of boring, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. Kind of boring. I'll stand down again. He's like, oh, so what is this? Good camera. Good. He's got an itch. Is that good? Is that a good itch? Nice little lick. She's like, get that fucking thing out of my face, or I will claw you in your sleep. And with that, goodbye.